Okay, guys, welcome back. So I just bought 3 more items, accessories for my RZR 800 Frankenbeast. Basically, my next project is I bought this is my initial impressions of everything, not even being used yet. Nothing here has been used. This is straight out of the box, came out of Amazon this morning. And here's a 1.3 gallon gasoline container. It's made of sturdy plastic. I'm happy with the construction of it. This one happened to come with a lock. I don't care about the lock part, but this was the cheapest one I could find on Amazon, and it came with a mount. Unfortunately, I'm not happy with the mount part because it can only fit onto this size roll bar, which is less than, I don't know what this is, maybe call this a 1-inch roll bar here. This is my my bumper guard. They are the exact size for that and that only. All right, they will not fit onto this roll cage, which is a 1.75-inch roll bar. So I was hoping to mount it somewhere here. Right now I have it mounted here, but I don't care how tight I make these, this thing's still going to be loose. So if you can see, you know, it's going to bang and rattle no matter what, and I don't care how tight. These are just small, dainty little threads in there. So that thing's it's gonna bounce unless I secure it even more. Maybe drag a strap here and strap it underneath. I could probably do that. I'm not sure if this is my location. I just wanted to show you relative size of it. It's not real big. It's 1.3. I would probably opt for a bigger container, but I'm not using this for gasoline. I plan on using this for windshield wiper fluid or water. Basically just water. And I bought a hose pump, 12-volt hose pump with sprayer. I'm going to try and MacGyver my own windshield watering system, and maybe, you know, in case the radiator gets clogged up, I'll be able to flush it out with this. So I opted for, which leads me into my second my second part accessory that I bought, and that's the manual windshield wiper kit. These were cheap on Amazon as well, less than $20 for 2 of them. So I will be installing these, and I'll give you my my second impression upon installation, and then later on I'll give you my impression after I take them out in 2 weeks. And my third accessory was a tool bag. This Riker bag. It's made of it's nice. I'm impressed with this right out of the box. I'm impressed with these right out of the box. And this is good. This is good, sturdy. Like I said, the mounting hardware, this is not for straight up UTV. Even though it's under the UTV category, it is rigid for UTV, but mounting kit, you're going to have to MacGyver something if you don't want it on a roll on these little bumper guards. So I will be MacGyvering something for that. These should be a straightforward install. This rolls up right now empty and fits under my front, under the hood. There's a compartment on these RZRs. It fits in here. So I'm happy with that. How many tools I put in here will determine how much will fit in here, but I'll show you. You know, it sits in here nice right now. When I get bulky, I don't know. Wrap it up it's going to get in a plastic bag because everything's going to get soaked. I've been through mud and water on ATVs, and I know everything's going to get wet. So this will definitely go in a plastic bag. And it'll lay out here, and it'll, you know, I still have a little extra here. So I could still store another pouch of tools if I need all these extra tools. I don't plan on bringing a lot of tools. I'm not, you know, I don't plan on being a roadside mechanic. for everybody and anybody, but just the basics to be able to, you know, to at least be able to change my belt, and minor stuff, you know, who knows, you know, I'll figure out a couple size wrenches that I need, screwdrivers, you know, cutters, a knife, you know, and I'll bring some of the most basic things that I can bring, and then when I break down on the first time, I won't have the right tools, of course. But that's okay. So that's my initial impression of the 3 accessories I just purchased. Overall, very satisfied. A little disappointed here because I know, you know, it only leaves you one option. I just want to let you know that, you know, you only have one mounting option, and it's not great. You're still going to have to MacGyver something. Even if this worked 100% perfect, you would not be able, you know, that would rattle and break itself apart, you know, at least the way I ride, you know, unless you're road riding with your RZR, I don't recommend mounting it just the way I have it. You're going to have to secure it a little better. So that's it. Okay, check back. I'll let you know how installation goes, and I'll let you know how the tool bag stacks up once I start putting tools in it. And we'll go from there. See you later.